Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by stripping the bed and laying the protector flat nearby. This saves time and avoids fumbling. Once done, check the protector for rips, loose seams, or faulty elastic so it will seal properly. Make sure the size label matches your mattress. A loose fit lets liquids pool, while too tight straps stress seams. If the protector has an elastic skirt or zipper, position that access point where you can work easily, usually at the foot of the bed. You now drape the protector over the mattress and align centers. This prevents asymmetric bunching later. Once aligned, find each corner and pull the elastic skirt down or zip the cover up, smoothing wrinkles as you go so the barrier lies flat. Make sure seams sit flush against edges to block liquids. After fitting, press along edges and sit in a few spots to confirm it doesn't shift. If it moves, retension the skirt or reseat the zipper until the fit is snug and stable. You finish by putting on your fitted sheet over the protector and tucking it neatly so everything stays in place. The sheet hides the protector and prevents shifting. Once done, test for noise or bunching by moving around. Some materials are noisier but usually settle. If you spill, blot immediately and follow washing instructions on the label. Most are machine washable. If problems continue, noise, sliding, or gaps, recenter the protector and consider a thin non-slip pad beneath to stabilize the assembly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.